Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5 and today I'll show you how you can adjust gestures sensitivity. So when you go for the settings and type on the search bar sensitivity and scroll down, you can find the gesture settings. So let's go here. As you can see here, we got the back sensitivity from the left on the right edge, and we can change with the switcher to low or high. So if you get any problems, you can set the highest options, the highest sensitivity, and after that you can just simply go back. So as you can see, it was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.